Hi guys, my name is Shubhang Garodia, Chemistry Master Teacher at Vedantu. Today we are going to talk about JEE Advanced 2019 Paper 2 and specifically question number 1. Now this is a multiple correct type question. Looks like it talks about zinc. So zinc with hot concentrated H2SO4 giving us some compounds. Zinc with concentrated NaOH, okay, giving us some compounds. G seems to be common here, giving Z a precipitate, and X again seems to be common. He's asking questions on this. So let's solve this question first, okay? Now, we have been given first point is zinc with concentrated H2SO4. So when we have zinc and concentrated H2SO4, we know that D block elements evolve hydrogen gas with dilute acids. But when you have concentrated acids, their central atom rather gets reduced. Okay, the central atom rather gets reduced. So you have SO2 and water vapor being formed. So this is perhaps your compound G because it is getting repeated ahead. Now, if we react zinc with concentrated NaOH, because it being amphoteric metal, it will liberate hydrogen gas with NaOH as well, forming sodium metazincate Na2ZnO2. ठीक. So one of this is T, the other is Q. Going ahead, then okay, not this one. For the third case, we have G, that is ZnSO4 reacting with H2S in basic medium. Now we know that Zn2 plus gives sulfide precipitation in basic medium. So yes, the precipitate that they're talking about, ZnS, is this precipitate. Along with it, what will be formed? Along with it, H2O will be formed, of course, and ammonium sulfate will be obtained. Ammonium from here, sulfate from here. Okay, guys. So this is the common thing, that is X being talked about. Now let's go back to our options. Bond order of Q is 1 in the ground state. Now, if we talk about the second reaction, one was Na2ZnO2 and the other is hydrogen. There's no point talking about bond order here. So Q is this where they are talking about hydrogen. So we know that the bond order of hydrogen is 1 in the ground state. Absolutely correct. Oxidation state of zinc in T is 1. So what was T? T was Na2ZnO2. And in this, zinc is in +2 oxidation state, not +1. So this is wrong. R is a V-shaped molecule. What was R, guys? R was SO2. And SO2 is angular, bent, V-shaped, sp2 hybridized. So yes, R will be an answer. Z is a dirty white color precipitate. Absolutely correct. ZnS is a dirty white color precipitate. So the answers here are A, C, and D, guys. Okay. Interesting question based on zinc. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll be back with more questions.